Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with the Eagle Creek Packable Laundry Sac.
Hit it.
Made from 100% recycled materials with an open weave diamond mesh for breathability and a compact pack size. Hold up, to make sure you don't miss any of our awesome content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get back to it. So your laundry bag zips up on itself, so it's nice and compact and packable. It weighs about 170 grams and measures 17 centimeters roughly by about 16 centimeters wide and around 4 centimeters thick. So we just unzip the little storage compartment there, and the laundry bag essentially just pops out. So as you can see, it's not freestanding on its own, but it does have these two handles here for either carrying or hanging. Now the benefit of having the two handles as well is that when you have unzipped the top lid of the laundry bag, if you hang it from this front section here, it does keep the lid sort of open. So you can just hang it up inside your tent or your caravan or in your awning and just easily sort of chuck clothes in as you're going. So the overall capacity of the laundry bag is about 48 litres. Now it is 16 centimetres deep, I guess you would say, across this section here. And it's around about 53 centimetres tall and about 35 centimetres wide across this section here as well. Now it's made from 100% recycled 300 denier polyester on the webbing and all the sort of polyester materials that we have here. And it's also, the mesh itself is also 100% recyclable diamond mesh, polyester diamond mesh. So it's quite a thick mesh as well. And it's got, I'm giving like a fair amount of a tug on that. So it's quite sturdy, quite heavy duty, and there's definitely no doubt there that that mesh is going to hold. It's going to be very easy to sort of, very difficult to fail on you there. And then we've also got these little toggles or zipper pulls as well, which makes it really easy to open and shut that laundry compartment. So inside the lid, we've also got, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on the camera there, we've got like a little rigid piece of plastic piping, and that gives that lid a bit of stability. And we've also got that same rigid plastic piping here along the opening. So that helps to sort of keep the structure of the laundry bag when you've got it in use and hanging up. So I've got a couple of t-shirts here. This one's sort of like a medium women's t-shirt, and we've got some large and extra large sort of men's t-shirts here, which I'll just roughly throw in as if they're dirty, not freshly folded. And I've got a pair of jeans, men's jeans here as well, which I'll chuck in. And I've got like a medium adult's hoodie here as well, which I'll just sort of stuff that one in. So we're sort of getting a bit organically formed, just chuck gloves and beanie in for good measure there. But obviously if we want to sort of pack that down, really like sort of compress it down, we've still got quite a lot of volume in that laundry bag as well. So obviously I think you can probably, I'd say probably easily, depending on how long you're going away for, you could have like a week's worth of laundry potentially in here. And if you get a couple, as you can see from before, when they pack small, if you get a couple for your kit, you can easily sort your laundry out, whether you're doing your whites or your colors or your heavily dirty stuff or your kid stuff or whatever. But as you can see, that's quite easy to hold and carry around. It has a large volume of clothing in there, and with all the sort of reinforcing along the top and the zipper and that sort of plastic piping, the integrity of those handles are going to hold. So when it comes to you packing away your little laundry sack, we'll just get all these clothes out here, like so. It's just a simple matter of flipping it over, and we're going to zip up that lid. Now we're going to roughly sort of line it up and jiggle it back and forward so it almost sort of folds in, or the sides tuck in on itself, like so, and then just give it a little bit of a push in, because I know sometimes when you pack stuff back up into its own little case, it can be a little bit tricky, or there's not a huge amount of room there to get it packed away. So once we've done that, it's just folding it in half and zipping around the edge. So that's it for the Eagle Creek packable laundry bag. It's pretty heavy duty and holds quite a lot of washing, and you can have multiple of these in your kit so you can sort out all your loads. You can get this at snows.com.au at our low prices every day.